Hi everyone, Christine here at Christine's Craft Table to celebrate with you again National Crochet Month by participating in the challenge by Ola Jo, the Crocheting Sailor. What you see here is me working on something green. I am working here on a project I recently finished. It is a shawl by Carmen, and that is the name of her YouTube channel. The shawl is called Tendril. I will leave a link to her channel and the pattern in the description box. I made this with the 5mm hook, my boy ergonomic hook. The yarn was Loops and Threads Cozy Wool Merino, a 3-weight. I used about 457 yards, and it's 55% merino, 45% acrylic. This is actually one of my Make 9 yarns, so I am still trying to use it up. I have almost finished it. I have a little bit left of one skein. The shawl turned out to be 64 inches long. It is a boomerang shape, which you will see in the next picture where I blocked it. And I really enjoy Carmen's shawls. She is a wonderful designer. She does a lot of one skein shawlette patterns, which are very helpful and very pretty. I like the boomerang shape because it's less bulky, and you'll see that in the slideshow at the end where I've shown you some options for styling it. I hope you enjoyed my something green day. This was a delight to make, and it's a very pretty shawl.